Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amber, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different hairstyles that you can do during your softball practice, baseball practice, whatever practice you have. So stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so for all these hairstyles, you will need a visor because it is for softball. And you need a visor for outfield or infield or wherever you're playing. You just need a visor, okay? So get your hair all loose like this. Get your hair very loose. Okay, so in this water bottle I have water and conditioner. Just wet your hair a little bit. Wet your hair a little bit. And then get the brush. Shit that up in the back. I really hope this is all in focus. Wrap it around all the way. Just do that. Get this. Put your visor on to take this out. And then pull, and boom, you're done. Oh, it kind of looks stupid right now. Shake it up a little bit so it could get some type of volume, and scrunch up your hair how you want it to go. So that way, it could kind of form in a ball-ish kind of thing. Okay, so that was that. Now, time for the bun. The bun is very simple. Put your hair up like this. Grab it. Put your hair, make sure you have a good grip. Wrap around like this. And then halfway, so you do this. Sorry if I'm looking over here, it's because I'm on FaceTime with my friend and like I can see myself, so it's technically my mirror. So yeah, that's how you do that one. That was number 2. So at first I thought I was gonna put gel in my hair, but I gotta do other hairstyles. So we're gonna, this is one thing I do since my hair's already down. Just wet it, get a good amount of wet. Then shake out your hair. Do this. Sometimes I like to do the middle part. And then you legit just put it over your head. Oh my God, and it makes you look like a mushroom. Now for the 2 buns, since my hair is already in the middle part. and boom. Okay, so same applies. Water, conditioner, it's already there. Just brush your hair down in the way that it's going. So the video turned off, but we're basically done. So what you're gonna do is put the buzzer on and boom, you're done. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below which hairstyle you like the best and which one you're gonna use if you are on the softball team, the baseball team, basketball team, whatever team you're on. Comment down below. I want to know, and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I post as much as I can and pretty frequently, so if you subscribe, it will not be a big mess. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, my name is Amber. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys 5 different hairstyles that I do during my softball practice. Hopefully it can help you guys with basketball, football. Really, Madison?
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome to my I did that.